Okay. Lesson for a truly beautiful mind. So let's start. Yes, you can see photograph of Albert Einstein. So what Albert Einstein is telling us. So Albert Einstein, when we are watching, yeah, when we are watching this, yes, you photograph, and we came to know that Albert Einstein was a famous scientist of the world, and what he did for the world, it also will be yes you written, is also will be read in this lesson. So a truly beautiful mind. So Albert Einstein was a great personality. Yes, you he was a great scientist also. Being great scientist, being great personality, yes you he lived for the world and for human being. So he was not live just only for himself. No, he lived for the world. He lived for the humanity. Yeah. So how? Let's start. So introduction. First of all, we are going to yes, you start the introduction of the lesson. So this chapter is about Albert Einstein. He was a great scientist. The life title of the chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind, refers to Albert Einstein. So whose mind is beautiful mind. So the mind of Albert Einstein is beautiful mind. So this is a short biography of his where some of his qualities have been highlighted. So in this lesson, some qualities, yes, you of Albert Einstein are described here. So Albert's interest in mathematics and physics, and also in his humanitarian attribute. So what? He was interested in mathematics, he was interested in physics, and yes, you being interested in mathematics and physics, he also interested in human being. He was also interested in humanitarian. Yeah. So the lesson, the title, A Truly Beautiful Mind, makes one wonder how can a scientist mind be beautiful? This is so because this lesson we come across another aspect of Einstein. So he was a humanitarian. So he was a great scientist. We came to know. Yes, and when we will learn this lesson, we will come to know that he discovered that word gravitation. So after that what? So he lived for humanitarian. मानवता के लिए भी वो जिया. So कैसे वो हम इस लेसन में पढ़ेंगे. He advocated world peace, non-violence, and that is why the title refers to him as a truly beautiful mind. He advocated. जैसे वो किस चीज की सिफारिश कर रहा है, वो देश में दुनिया में शांति की सिफारिश करता है कि शांति से दुनिया रहे. वो नॉन वायलेंस की, अहिंसा की सिफारिश करता है कि अहिंसा नहीं होनी चाहिए. So that's why he is called a humanitarian. तो इसीलिए उसको एक मानवता के लिए जीने वाला इंसान भी कहा गया है. सो यहाँ तक हमने पढ़ा, इंट्रोडक्शन हमने लिया इस लेसन का. तो अब इस इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद अगर हम बात करें, सो इंट्रोडक्शन क्या कह रहा है हमारा, कि इस इंट्रोडक्शन में हमने पढ़ा है कि जो हमारे जो साइंटिस्ट हैं एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, और एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन ने एक बहुत बड़ी खोज तो की. यस यू बहुत. So Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in the German city of Ulm. So there is a country, and in which country Albert Einstein born? Albert Einstein born in German. So next one is in which city? In Ulm city. So there is a Ulm, ULM, Ulm. This is a city of German. German, what is German? German is a country, and what is Ulm? Ulm is a city. Just like this, our India, and in India, Panipat, in India, Delhi, these are the cities. So same here, Ulm is also a city of German country. So without any indication that he was destined for greatness. So there was no indication in him when he born. So he will be a great scientist. There was a no sign. तो उसमें कोई भी साइन नहीं था कि वो एक दिन महान बनेगा, एक दिन महान साइंटिस्ट बनेगा. जब वो पैदा हुआ, ऐसी उसमें कोई भी बात नहीं दिख रही थी. So what happened? On the contrary, what happened there? On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. So on the contrary, उल्टा उसकी मम्मा क्या सोच रही थी? उसकी मम्मा सोच रही थी कि मेरा बेटा तो एक फ्रीक है। सो व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ फ्रीक? अ पर्सन हु इज अनयूजुअल, ओके, एंड डज नॉट बिहेव, लुक और थिंक लाइक अदर्स। कि मेरा बेटा तो फ्रीक है, मेरा बेटा तो अनयूजुअल है, कि मेरा बेटा तो दूसरों की तरह बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। His mother was thinking that. Yes, you, what we come to know in this one, we come to know that Albert Einstein born on March 14, 1879, and he born in Ulm. And what is this Ulm? Ulm is a city, and which country? Germany. Yes, you, and when he born, उसमें कुछ खास बात नहीं थी। ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि ये एक दिन महान साइंटिस्ट बनेगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था। उसकी मम्मा तो उसे बेवकूफ पागल कहती थी कि तुम दूसरों से बिल्कुल अलग हो। या सो नेक्स्ट वन इज देयर, एट द एज, yeah, at the age of 2.5, when he was 2.5 years old, Einstein still was not talking. So Einstein was not speaking. Einstein was not talking to someone. So Albert Einstein started talking when he was 2.5 years of age. So before 2.5 years age, he was not speaking. But when he was 2.5 years old, after that he started speaking. So when he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything to this. So when he was speaking, so he started speaking at the age of 2.5 years. जब वो 2.5 साल का था तब उसने बोलना शुरू किया. So when he was speaking, when he was 2.5 years old, so he was speaking each and everything twice. दो दो बार वो हर एक चीज को बोलता था. Einstein did not know what to do with other children. So, and his playmates called him Brother Boring. So, when he was with the other children, he was not playing with them. He did not know what to do with the other children. जब दूसरे बच्चों के साथ वो होता तो उसे पता नहीं होता था कि मैं इनके साथ क्या करूं. तो वो अकेला बैठा रहता था. So that's why the playmates, जो दूसरे बच्चे थे वो उसको ब्रदर बोरिंग कहते थे. So the younger played by himself much of the time. So the youngster, so the youngster, तो वो अपने आप खेलता रहता था. He especially loved mechanical toys. और वो किसके साथ खेलता था? Yes, he loved mechanical toys. Looking at his newborn sister Maja, so there is a, yes, his younger sister. The younger sister name is Maja. So जब वो पैदा हुई, he is said to have said. तो उसने क्या कहा? Fine, but where are her wheels? कि ठीक है, मेरी सिस्टर है, ये मेरा टॉय है. तो उसने पूछा कि बट इसके व्हील कहाँ है? इसके व्हील मीन इसके पहिए कहाँ हैं? जब उनके घर वालों ने उसको दिखाया कि ये तुम्हारी सिस्टर है, तो उसने कहा कि भाई ठीक है, इसके व्हील कहाँ हैं? या a headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose as a profession would not matter because he will never make a success at anything. So a headmaster. So there was a headmaster, and headmaster was telling to his father, "Yes, your child is not a good child. Yes, your child will not be anything in the world. कि दुनिया में ये कुछ नहीं बनने वाला है. तो ये क्या प्रोफेशन चूज करता है कोई मतलब नहीं है. कोई भी प्रोफेशन ये ले ले, किसी भी प्रोफेशन में ये कामयाब नहीं होगा." It was told by a headmaster. So what happened? Einstein began learning to play the violin at the age of 6. So 6 साल की उम्र में ही आइंस्टीन ने वायलिन बजाना शुरू कर दिया. Because his mother wanted him to, क्योंकि उसकी मम्मा चाहती थी कि वो वायलिन बजाए, वो गिटार बजाए, वो म्यूजिक बजाए. He later became a gifted amateur violinist. So after, yes, वो बहुत ही अच्छा वायलिनिस्ट भी बना. Maintaining this skill throughout his life, और उस पूरी जिंदगी वो गिटार बजाता रहा, पूरी जिंदगी वो वायलिन बजाता रहा. Yes, या बेटा. But Albert Einstein was not a bad pupil. Sure, but Albert Einstein was not a bad pupil. Yes, you, pupil mean student. वो एक बुरा स्टूडेंट नहीं था, बहुत अच्छा स्टूडेंट था. ओके, बट उसके पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स उसको क्या कह रहे थे वो हमने पढ़ा. टीचर्स वर सेइंग दैट he will not successful in life, in his life. It was told to his father. It was told his father that yes, you by a headmaster. And on the other hand, her mother, his own mother also speaking, is a freak. So he was not a bad pupil. इन सब बातों के बाद, इसके बावजूद वो एक बुरा बच्चा नहीं था, वो एक अच्छा स्टूडेंट था. He went to high school in Munich. Yes, you, where Einstein's family had moved when he was 15 months old and scored good marks in almost every subject. So when, when Albert Einstein went to school, and he went to school first time in Munich. And what is this Munich? Munich is also a city of German. तो जर्मन के एक शहर म्यूनिक में उसके मम्मी पापा चले गए थे, शिफ्ट हो गए थे. वो पहले उल्म में थे, ULM, एंड यू दे शिफ्टेड, यस यू दे माइग्रेटेड म्यूनिक. Okay, and when he was 15 months old, जब वो 15 महीने का था, तो उसके पेरेंट्स उसको लेकर के म्यूनिक चले गए उल्म से. And in that Munich there was a school, and he got admission there in that school. So when the result came, he got good marks. Not only in one subject, in all subjects he got good marks. So Einstein hated the school's regimentation and often clashed with his teachers. Regimentation meant not agree with the teachers. Yes, you not agree with the teachers and often clashed, और आमतौर पर टीचर्स के साथ उसकी कहासुनी होती रहती थी, बहस होती रहती थी. At the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled there that he left the school for good. So जब वो 15 साल का हुआ, तो वहां पे एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन को बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगा. वहां पे वो एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन था, सांस नहीं ले पा रहा था, because teacher was not teaching him. He was asking questions and questions, more questions he was asking from the teachers, and teachers were unable to give the answers. So at the age of 15, और हार करके उसने when he was 15 years old, तो 15 साल की उम्र में उसने उस स्कूल को छोड़ दिया, और वो किसी अच्छे के लिए, क्योंकि मुझे और अच्छे से पढ़ाई करनी है. So that's why he left the school. So up to here we have done. So next we will do the next part. So up to here today we will do only this one.